Ever wondered how apples turn into juice, chips, and more? It all starts in fresh orchards, where apples grow naturally. Each apple is carefully hand-picked to maintain quality.
After harvesting, they are transported to modern factories.
At the factory, apples are thoroughly washed.
They are sorted by size and quality, using advanced machines.
Polishing gives them a fresh and shiny look. Some apples are crushed to make fresh juice. The juice is filtered and filled into bottles. Other apples are sliced into thin pieces.
These slices are dried to create crispy apple chips.
Apples are also used to make sweet apple jam.
They are used in bakery products like apple pies.
Finally, all products are carefully packaged.
From farm to factory, apples become more than you imagine.